Imagine yourself at the controls of a super powerful machine with 3,750 torque and 800 horsepower? No, we're not talking about a train locomotive, but a super powerful truck. I'll give you a spoiler, this machine is neither American nor European. But before we dive into the details about this beast, please help me. Like, share, and comment with your opinion and even suggestions for future videos. Do you know what the most powerful truck in the world is? I'll tell you right away, it's not American, much less European. So, who's responsible for this impressive machine? If you guessed China, you're spot on. Besides being a global powerhouse in economics and technology, China is also taking the lead when it comes to extra-heavy trucks. There are several standout Chinese models. I've even talked about some here on the channel, and I'll leave the link pinned in the comments for you to watch later. But today, we're talking about a giant that's catching the world's attention for the sheer power it packs under its hood. We're talking about the Shacman X6000, produced by Shaanxi Automobile Group, headquartered in Xi'an, Shaanxi Province, in the heart of China. The company doesn't stop there, it also has assembly lines in Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, Nigeria, and Kazakhstan, expanding its presence in the global market. Get ready, because you're going to learn all the details about this true beast on wheels. Do you believe the 770 horsepower Scania V8 is the most powerful production truck in the world? Then get ready, because that idea is about to change. The 17-liter Weichai engine, developed by Weichai Power, one of the largest engine and powertrain manufacturers on the planet, delivers no less than 800 horsepower and 3,750 Newton-meters of gross torque. But here arises a curiosity that has sparked debate among enthusiasts and experts: is this engine really a V8? Or are we looking at an oversized inline-six? Some sources point to a V8 architecture, while others suggest it's an inline-six engine, which makes this machine even more impressive, considering the performance it delivers. Regardless of the configuration, what's not in dispute is its raw power, comparable to a locomotive on wheels, capable of pulling up to 100 tons of cargo with impressive ease. And packing this monster under the cab is the Shacman X6000, the truck that currently holds the title of most powerful in the world. To harness such power, it comes equipped with a fast gear S16AD 16-speed automated transmission, AMT, as well as the robust rear axle from the Hand H series line. And it's not just power, the X6000 also guarantees efficiency. Reduced fuel consumption by between 5% and 8%. Engine designed to run up to 2 million kilometers, V10 lifespan. Meets the stringent China 6 emissions standard, equivalent to Euro 6. The result: incredible power, durability, and technology in a single truck, whether V8 or not. The Shacman X6000 800's cabin was designed to compete directly with premium European trucks, combining comfort, technology, and safety at a level that impresses even the most demanding drivers. It's an environment designed for long journeys, with every detail designed to offer practicality, ergonomics, and well-being. The interior space is one of the largest in the segment, with a completely flat floor, ensuring freedom of movement within the cabin. The driver finds an extra-wide bed, almost 1 meter wide, and a rest area comparable to the most advanced models from the Mercedes-Benz Actros, MAN TGX, Scania S-Series, and Volvo FH Globetrotter XL. This standard places the X6000 among the best in the world for sleeping comfort. The multifunctional digital panel, inspired by the aircraft cockpit style, features a modern layout that facilitates access to key driving information, providing greater safety and operational efficiency. In terms of technology, the Shacman X6000 is equipped with an ADAS system, which includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping alert, placing it on par with the most sophisticated European trucks. Advanced sound insulation ensures an interior noise level of around 54 dB, equivalent to the European standard, transforming the cabin into a quiet and comfortable environment, even on long journeys. Thus, the Shacman X6800 is not only a powerhouse, but also a truly premium workspace on wheels, designed to redefine the driving experience in heavy-duty road transport. The Shacman X6800 doesn't just impress with its power and innovative design. It's also designed to offer maximum safety and driver assistance technology, putting it on par with premium European trucks. Among its main features, the model comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, similar to what's found in brands like Volvo and Scania. The system uses sensors and radars to monitor the distance from the vehicle in front, automatically adjusting the speed, ensuring greater comfort, economy, and safety on long journeys. The truck also features forward collision warning, which alerts you in dangerous situations, and lane departure warning, which helps prevent accidents caused by unintentional swerving. Another highlight is tire pressure monitoring, which increases safety and reduces maintenance costs by reporting any changes in real time. In some versions, the X6000 also features automatic emergency braking, which can drastically reduce the risk of collisions. To top it all off, there's the option of digital rearview mirrors, replacing traditional mirrors with high-definition external cameras that transmit images to internal screens. This technology improves visibility, eliminates blind spots, and ensures much greater safety when overtaking, maneuvering, and driving at night. With all these features, the Shacman X6800 delivers not only brute force but also one of the most modern active safety packages on the market, reinforcing the brand's commitment to innovation and driver protection. In the world of extra-heavy trucks, the Shacman X6800 has arrived to make history. It combines the latest in power, technology, and comfort, competing head-to-head with European giants. Under the hood, the 17-liter Weichai engine delivers 800 horsepower and an impressive 3,750 Nm of torque. In practice, this means the ability to pull monumental loads with ease, almost as if it were a locomotive on wheels. The transmission is state-of-the-art automated, ensuring smooth gear changes and maximum fuel efficiency. And the driver finds a top-notch cabin with a flat floor, a wide bed, and onboard technology worthy of models like Scania, Volvo, and Mercedes Actros. But it's not just about comfort. The X6800 is also a benchmark in active safety. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring, and even the option of digital rearview mirrors with a camera, eliminating blind spots. And all this under the brand of a company that already has a global presence and is now planning expansion in Latin America. And how much does this machine cost? In China, the Shacman X6000 can be found in versions ranging from $43,000 to $92,000, depending on the configuration. In Europe and the United States, the estimated price is between $120,000 and $150,000, including taxes, certification, and international transportation. A price that, for many experts, is highly competitive considering the truck's performance, technology, and durability. The Shacman X6800 is not just another truck. It is the symbol of the new phase of Chinese industry, raw power, advanced technology, and prices that challenge traditional giants. So, what did you think of this true locomotive of the roads? The Shacman X6800 proves that China isn't just competing, but leading the extra-heavy truck revolution. With plenty of power, a premium cabin, cutting-edge technology, and competitive prices, it shows that the future of transportation has already begun. If you like this content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because there's still much more news to come about the world's most powerful trucks. And tell me in the comments, would you have a Shacman X6000 in your fleet?